In this short video, you will learn how to rank advance in MyEcon. The requirements for rank advancing are very simple and can be found in documents 701 and 702. First, let's go over the basic requirements for earning commissions. To receive commissions in MyEcon, you must be active in MyEcon and have 2 personally enrolled active associates. You must have an active Cashback Mall membership or have personally produced at least $2 of CV in the prior 5 commission cycles, or $6 of CV in the prior 13 commission cycles, or $12 of CV in the prior 26 commission cycles, or $24 of CV in the prior 52 commission cycles. You must also meet the required qualifications for your specific rank. Let's now go over rank advancing. To advance from Marketing Director to EVP, you need to do one of the 2 things. 1. Sell $200 of personal CV. That's commission volume. There's no time limit on this. Or 2, personally sponsor 2 people who purchase the income shifting membership and become marketing directors. When you do either of those 2 things, you will be promoted to Executive Vice President, also known as EVP. To rank advance from EVP to EVP Gold, you need a total of 10 active associates in your super team. Your super team consists of your base shop and everyone in your 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th generations. For EVP Gold, you will need 10 total active associates in your super team, with no more than 5 counting from your base shop or any 1st generation EVP's marketing team. Let's take a look at how you determine if you are EVP Gold qualified. Log into your Business Management Center and click on Reports. From Reports, click on At a Glance. The first section is the Base Shop Commission section. This section identifies if you are eligible for base shop commissions and what your highest achieved rank has been. Once you hit a rank title in MyEcon, MyEcon never demotes you down in title. However, if you are not qualified to be paid commissions at that rank, you will receive commissions based on the rank you are qualified for. The next section is the Super Retailer Bonus section. Notice the caution sign in the personal CV row. This caution sign means that you have not met the qualifications to receive the Super Retailer Bonus. This associate does not have enough personal CV sales to qualify for Super Retailer Bonus. So this associate will receive 25% CV on personal sales and 10% CV on base shop sales. The next section is EVP Generational Overrides and Dream Team Residuals. This associate meets all the qualifications for EVP Generational Overrides and Dream Team Residuals. The next section is EVP Gold Generational Overrides and Dream Team Residuals. While this associate is an EVP Gold by title, this associate is currently not qualified to receive EVP Gold commissions, so this associate will receive EVP commissions instead. We see that this associate does not have the required active count. To be eligible for EVP Gold, you must have at least 10 active associates in your super team, counting no more than 5 from your base shop or any 1st generation leg. This associate has only 7. Let's take a look at how this associate is structured. Click on the number 7. By clicking on the number 7, you are taken to the EVP Gold qualification report. Here, we see that this associate has 11 active associates in their base shop. But we also see that the maximum count in that leg towards EVP Gold is 5. Below the base shop, we see this associate's 1st generation EVPs and their organization count. Each EVP and their organization can be counted towards the 10 needed to help this associate get paid as an EVP Gold. Notice that there are 6 1st generation EVPs, which would be enough to qualify this associate to Gold. However, 4 out of the 6 EVPs are canceled or inactive. The total that this associate has towards EVP Gold is 7. There are several ways to get back qualified as an EVP Gold. This associate can encourage their canceled and inactive EVPs to reactivate. They could also help MDs in their base shop promote to Executive Vice President, where they will be placed in their 1st generation. Or they can encourage their active 1st generation EVPs to continue building their organization. Let's now take a look at a Platinum's at a glance report. To be qualified platinum, you need a total of 80 active associates with no more than 20 in your base shop or any first generation EVP's organization. We see that they are eligible for base shop commissions. We also notice that they are qualified for super retailer bonus. So they are getting 100% CV on personal sales volume and 85% CV on base shop sales volume. They are qualified for EVP generational overrides and Dream Team residuals. They are also qualified for EVP Gold generational overrides and Dream Team residuals, and they are qualified for EVP Platinum generational overrides and Dream Team residuals. If we look at their EVP Platinum qualification report, we will notice that they have helped promote 35 people to EVP, which places 35 first generation EVPs in their organization. They have a total of over 1,100 active associates in their super team, with 138 counting towards their platinum rank. To rank advance to EVP Infinity, you are required to have 400 active associates in your super team, with no more than 80 counting in your base shop and or your first generation EVP's organization. EVP Infinity CEO requires 1,000 active associates in your super team with no more than 100 counting in your base shop and or first generation EVP's organization. The key to advancing in MyEcon is to stay focused on your base shop. You must constantly be personally sponsoring and going wide, but you must also encourage your associates in your base shop to get promoted to executive vice president. You need first generation EVPs to rank advance, and the more first generation EVPs you have, the easier it will be to rank advance.